Hi everyone, I'm coming on to do a tutorial. I did actually do this yesterday and for some strange reason there was no sound. I've had a play about with my webcam and I hope, fingers crossed, this is okay this time. So, the card I am going to make is this here. Okay, so it's a sketch challenge for Stampin' for All, and oops, stuck it to my double-sided tape, not clever. So this is the very basic version, and I think you can see that it's fantastic for your scraps. This is a stepped up version where I've added Happy Christmas from the Merry Christmas thinlits, and I have used the star from Starlight with the border. The border on the words and sentiments, I actually fussy cut around them because I thought it looked better. But we're going to be going for this one today. I might use a different paper line. I'm just going to see what I've got here. I do have the Dashing Along, which is that one, but I think I'm going to do it with Under the Mistletoe this time, just for something different. So we'll take that one, this one, and that one, I think. And we just need to cut them into 1/2 inch strips. Okay. So I'm going to take each one down to 3 inches. Oops. In fact, I'll take each one down to 2 inches. Okay. And then we just cut it down to 1/2 inch. One inch. And then the 1/2 inch. So that's us got 4 of that design. And we've also got the reverse as well. I'll do this one, 2 inches, down to 1.5, down to 1, and then down to the 1/2. Yikes, do that again. Typical. Right, I'm going to use the other side. That there. So we're going to 1.5. 1. And 1/2. And just set that there. And I'm binning that because I've made a muck with that. So this is another one that I've got just sitting. You don't need a measurement for this as long as it's the width of your card almost, because I don't want it the full length of my card. I want a wee border around it. So let me just see. Right, so I need to take a wee shade off the end of that. That's perfect. Right. So then all I'm doing is adding my double-sided tape onto it. One and two. burnish that to make sure it's well stuck down, and then just lift the backing. Any excess just flip back onto itself. Okay, and we're left with that. Alright. Now the idea with this is that we are using different sizes in different heights and drops, and so it's very variant. What was that? Oh, it's my medication. That's okay, we can miss that for now. Right, so all we're doing, line up on the far away end like so, and then just use your paper snips, snip it across. Then I just turn it and I'll go up a bit. Make sure you're dritting it right up against the edge, and then this one I'm going to come in a wee bit more. There. Okay, so that's that one done. Then we can come in with our polka dots. So I'll drop that to here and let it go a bit longer. And we turn it. We can go kind of halfway. And just give it another wee tiny bit of length there. Put that up there. Then we're looking for our dark green. So I'm going to come up with that one. As I said, just stagger your heights and your widths. Your heights and your length. Okay, then we just turn that one. Got to use this end, I think. And we'll go up a bit again. Oops, let me just make sure I'm jutted up properly. And then I'm just going to take this a little bit lower. Then we're back to the beginning again, so we're back to the red check. And I'll put that up near the top half. The only thing when it's a busy pattern is it's hard to see when you're jutted up against it. So I'm going to make that a wee bit longer and turn it. And we can have that a little bit shorter. Move it around there. So we're done with that one. We're back onto the polka dot. Oops. So I'm just raising that a little bit. And I'll bring it down a bit lower. Then we'll turn it. And I'm going to come down a little bit and make this a narrow one. Now we're on to the green polka dot ones. I'll go to about here with that. And then just snip that there. And what I'm going to do is just take this little bit of edge off. Won't make any difference. Oops. There we go. So that's the base of the card done. Okay. And putting it onto a separate bit of card saves you having to stick each one on individually. So that's going to go in there like that. So I'm just going to put that on with some Tombow if I can find it. But I can't, so I'm just going to use Collal because it's handy. I'm just going to add a little bit to these longer ones, just so that I know that they're stuck down okay. Like that. Then I'll flip it over and make sure that my deer are the right way up. The rest of it doesn't matter. And position it on. Now I want my sentiment down the bottom. So I'm leaving a wee bit extra space down the bottom for that. And just smooth that on. Like so. Right, now the sentiment I'm using is from Merry Christmas to All. Now the last one I put Merry Christmas, I'll maybe put Christmas Blessings. Christmas Wishes, I think, actually. So, Christmas Wishes. Now, your stamps will stain when you're using deep colours like this Merry Merlot. It's inevitable, unfortunately. But they are clean. So, get my block and just get this lined up. So, Wishes. And Christmas. That's better. So I'm just going to pick it up in my block and ink it up. Okay, and then we're just going to come down here with it. And just give it a minute or so to transfer. Beautiful. I'm just going to give my stamps a little clean. That's them ready to use next time. Oh, Christmas in there. Wishes there. And then I did add a couple of little sequins. So I think we'll do the same with this one. Just because it is a very simple design, it just needs a little something to lift it. So I put 3 on the last one, I think I'll put 5 on this time. Why not? So I've got my glossy accents. Oops, there is making sure it's coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, move them off there a wee bit, and we'll just pick a few of these up. So red, oops, that one's got a bit chewed off the end of it, so we'll go red, green, red, green, and another red at the top. Okay, so that's them on. Then I'm going to add just a couple of wee rhinestones on top of it. I just don't like seeing the holes in the middle of it. It's just my own personal preference, is to cover them up. Oops. Come on, you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and another 1, 5. And that's our card done. Now you could step it up by putting a topper on it, maybe a star like I did with the over embellished one, or you could maybe tie a bit of ribbon around it and put a wee bow on it. It's totally up to you, but as I said, I just wanted to show you the technique of using your scraps to make a focal point on your card. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Take care for now. Bye.